Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Fit ignition coil. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, an extension, and a flathead screwdriver. Of course, have your new ignition coils ready for installation. This simple process can save you time and money. Now let's locate the ignition coils. They are typically found on top of the engine, usually 4 of them, one for each spark plug. Carefully press the small tab on each electrical connector and gently pull to disconnect it. Next, use your 10mm socket with the ratchet and extension to remove the single bolt that secures each ignition coil in place. Keep these bolts safe. With the bolt removed, you can now gently pull the old ignition coil straight up and out of its well. It might require a slight twist, but avoid excessive force. Take your new ignition coil and carefully insert it into the same well, pushing down until it feels firmly seated. Then, reinsert the 10mm bolt and tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to each new ignition coil. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. Before closing the hood, double-check all your connections to ensure everything is secure and nothing is loose. Start your engine to confirm proper operation. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your Honda Fit ignition coils. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.